All right, we're going to deal with functions that require a single parameter now. Previously, we created a couple of functions, discount and no discount, that didn't require any parameter to be passed to them. So for this one, we actually are going to create one that receives something. So let's define sums. They want sums to receive num. So sums receives num. And if we call sums, we have to pass it some number, num. Okay. Now we're only calling it num in the function itself. We'll talk about that in a second. So sum equals 0. For I in range I, comma, number plus 1. Number plus 1. Num plus 1. Okay. Sum equals sum plus I. That's for each one in there. Okay. And let's go ahead and colon there. Tab that in. And we want to print out sum. Okay. Now I want to call sums and my call to sums and I'm passing sums number. Now, number only exists here. In sums, we're calling it num. Num comes in, and I can use it in here, and num only exists in that function. Okay. So I'm passing it number. Number exists here. Now I've got one more. It's product. We've got to define what products is. So we'll go ahead, def products. And products is going to receive num as well. This num only exists in products. So products equals 1 for I in range I'll pass that 1, comma, num plus 1. From 1 to num plus 1. Products equals products times I print products. Okay. So I still have to call products and pass it number. There's products. Pass it number. Let's see, what does this thing do? Enter a positive integer, 5. It says that I've got an issue. Unbound error, local variable I referenced before assignment. Let's go ahead and go with that. Go with that. Let's try it again. 5. Okay. So the sum was, let's see if the math came out okay. It's happy with it. It says enter positive. Yeah, we gotta love this. It's giving us what we want, but it doesn't like what it's getting. So the numbers are correct in the output, just for whatever reason, but it's not happy with it. So I'm seeing that the number's not correct. So my product, I've got a problem with my product. Let's test it, see what it does there. Yeah, we went through fine that time. And it was my starting on my for loop. I needed to start with 1, 0, canceled it out. And there we got the right number that time, 55 and 36,2880. So, well, how'd you know what you needed to change, what you got wrong? I'm looking at the results. And it's showing me in red before I had a problem here. Let me go back and let me undo. Test it, I'll show you. Just testing it, says I got a problem. And let's go look. It says 55 is right. This one's wrong. It should be this, but I actually have 0. So knowing that, I know the first part, my sum is right, but my product is wrong. Okay, here I test it. And I'm testing fine now. Okay, so that got us. I'll see you in the next one.